Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Even as the Shiv Sena has had its own chief minister in Maharashtra for the first time since 1999, the income that the party has received through donations in 2019-20 is 20% lower than the preceding year when it was in an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is despite the fact that 2019-20 was a year of two major elections, the Lok Sabha elections and the state assembly polls, when typically donations to political parties surge. Political parties are required to report all donations over Rs 20,000 to the Election Commission every year. As per the party's annual audit report filed with the Election Commission this month, Shiv Sena got 105 crore rupees through individual and corporate donations and electoral bonds in 2019-20. Of these, 36 crore came through donations from corporates, 40 crore through electoral bonds, 16 crore through individual donors and 11 crore from institutions and welfare bodies as per the Shiv Sena's audit report. In comparison, the Shiv Sena drew donations of 130.96 crore in 2018-19 when it was in power in the Maharashtra government with the BJP. Of this, the largest chunk, 60.4 crore, was through electoral bonds. 23.39 crore came from individual donors, 25 crore were from institutions and welfare bodies, while Rs 17 crore came from corporate donations. Speaking to the print, Shiv Sena Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Raut shrugged off the drop in donations, saying the Shiv Sena never tries to misuse its power to get funds. He said the party does not expect people to contribute donations to it simply because it is ruling in Maharashtra with party president Uddhav Thackeray as chief minister. The BJP received 785.77 crore in 2019-20 as against Rs 741.98 crore the previous year as per its contribution reports filed with the Election Commission. After the BJP declared its donations to the Election Commission, the Shiv Sena slammed the party, saying this is just the official figure and does not include donations that the party got under the table, and in reality this figure could be much higher. Although the Shiv Sena's total donations dropped, being in power and having its own chief minister has brought the party an unusual donor, Lodha Developers, a firm owned by BJP legislator Mangal Prabhat Lodha, who is also the president of the BJP's Mumbai unit. Lodha Developers, now renamed as Macrotech Developers, contributed 5 crore rupees to the Shiv Sena's kitty. MLA Lodha told the print he did not want to comment and that he didn't look after the business. The Mumbai-based real estate company did not donate to the Shiv Sena for all the years while it was in power with the BJP. The last time that Lodha donated to the Shiv Sena was in 2014-15 when the Shiv Sena and the BJP jointly contested the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, split before the assembly elections, only to join hands once again and form the state government in Maharashtra. Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut, however, says that there is nothing surprising about Lodha's donation to the Shiv Sena. He says that Mangal Prabhat Lodha is a businessman and he has donated to the party officially. Moreover, he has also donated to other political parties. For the print, this is Mansi Phadke.